How's it going, guys? Welcome to Craps. I'm here at Circa in Las Vegas, downtown. And an individual bubble craps machine, $3 minimum bet. Sorry for the glare, it's pretty bad over here. $100 and some change. I'm gonna be trying the dark side strategy. I'm gonna go at 50 bucks on the don't pass thing. See if we can, double or triple our money. Let's go. Five. Five is the number I'm comfortable with putting on odds. So putting that other 50 on top of odds. Let's go. Seven. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, again, picking up with the $50 bet. Let's go. Hard four. You know what? Let's go all in. Let's go all in. There we go, baby. Seven. Eight. Seven. Oh, hard eight this time. Seven. Come on. 10. Seven. Nine. Let's go. Seven, baby. Come on. Niner again. Come on, seven. Let's go. Come on. Be good to me like the last time. Eight. Come on, seven. Love you. Love you, Dice. Come on. Nine. Let's go, seven. 10. This would have been a good roll on the light side. Not gonna lie, man. Not gonna lie. This would have been a good roll on the light side. There we go. There we go. Well, look at that. After a couple rolls, we hit our goal. 300 bucks in 2.5 minutes. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Um, I'll see you on the next one. Take care.